Hello everyone, this is a 7-inch touch multimedia player for vehicles. If you don't have a fancy new stereo with CarPlay or having an old car, this is the easiest way to get CarPlay in your car. CarPlay and Android Auto are both supported. Connecting your phone by Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to enjoy wireless CarPlay. There are many applications to use, such as voice control or GPS navigate, equipped with Linux OS system which is easy in use. Just touch to start. Read movies and music stored in USB storage to download. Radio function helps no missing news on the road. Enjoy local radio show. Round angle adjustment meet all your visual needs. High or low is adjustable. Support rear camera input. Parking will be safer. Working in wide voltages. Suitable for most types of vehicles. Here are basic informations of the product. They will be packaged to you. And the DIY installation is really simple, just plug and play. Purchase your Ezonetronics products today.